Hello everyone, thank you for your interest in our Luvele Vibe Blender. We have designed our high-speed Vibe Blender with our unique 1.75 litre stainless steel pitcher, providing a plastic-free environment for your food processing jobs. The 1.75 litre stainless steel pitcher has no print, inks, plastic or toxic material on the inside of the pitcher for peace of mind when making your blender recipes. It is constructed with food grade 304 stainless steel and a medical grade silicone gasket. Enjoy making amazing blender creations knowing you and your family are using the best plastic-free blender on the market. Along with our quality stainless steel pitcher, we have designed our Vibe Blender to include superior components and technology, creating a world-class, high-speed blending system for home use. Our technology includes medical-grade Japanese stainless steel blades and our German-designed heavy-duty motor that produces a max RPM of 35,000. Our motor generates strong torque and is super efficient and stable at high speeds. Second is our sound elimination technology. All of the components in the Luvele Vibe Blender have been designed to reduce noise as much as possible. Next is our temperature control system. This provides full control of your blending outcomes. The temperature sensor allows you to know what the temperature of the ingredients are in the pitcher at all times. This is important when making raw food recipes as well as making hot soups and drinks. Last but not least is our intelligent Smart Touch control panel. This makes controlling your Vibe Blender simple and intuitive. It also allows for easy and fast cleaning of the blender base. We understand some customers like to have the option of a clear plastic pitcher, so we have our compatible, high-quality, BPA-free 2-litre plastic pitcher, available for separate purchase. Our Vibe Blender is also covered by our 2-year warranty. For more info on the Vibe Blender's features and technology, we have linked our handbook and brochure below for you to check out. To see our Vibe Blender in action, we have loads of amazing healthy Luvele Life recipes on our YouTube channel and recipe blog. We have linked both of these below for you to enjoy. Also, we create delicious healthy recipes every week, so you'll never be short on inspiration. To order your Luvele Vibe Blender and to begin enjoying plastic-free blending, jump onto our website today. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us or ask us in the comments section below. Thank you for stopping by and we'll see you in the next video.